The great outdoors can be brutal. Frostbiting your toesies, sleeping on pokey wokies, and worst of all, those vicious, no good, dingo-eating crocodiles. You gotta be prepared for absolutely anything.
Anything?
Oh, crikey. You gotta be careful. There's man-eating crocs around here.
Is that your pillow?
This is the wild, mate. Out here, either you get nature, or nature gets you.
Then why not try this, the HangPad, the first ever hammock, sleeping pad, and beach blanket all in one. It's perfect for backpackers, hikers, campers, RVers, and every nature lover out there.
Look at these little budgies.
That's right, it's ribbed for your sleeping pleasure.
But we're on the run from predators, mate. And real adventurers travel light.
This gonna weigh you down?
Oh, it is light.
The HangPad combines a cozy insulated hammock with a spacious double-wide sleeping pad designed to block out the cold, so you don't freeze to death.
Not freezing to death is one of my top 5 favorite things to do.
Same. The HangPad comes equipped with a fully adjustable pillow and tree straps for your convenience and comfort, all in one compact stuff sack so you can save space.
Oh, a little pouch, just like me pet Roo. Mama.
And since it's a hammock, sleeping pad, and beach blanket all in one, you can maximize efficiency. Did I mention our innovative insulated construction protects against the elements? The air pressure prevents the hammock walls from collapsing in, wrapping you up like a mummy.
Oh, I imagine it's heaps cushy.
The HangPad's insulated double-wide sleeping pad is designed to share, or you can revel in that extra space for those solo adventures.
Well, if the wind and rain won't tear it to shreds, I'll bet a brainless croc will.
Not likely. The HangPad is made with abrasion-resistant rip-stop nylon to withstand any weather that comes your way. And people love the quick pump stuff sack. No batteries or lungs required, and it still provides rapid inflation.
Oh no, not me dollary dues.
No, the good kind of inflation. If you're camping in a tent, bring the HangPad down to the ground and utilize its double-wide design. Or strap it to the trees and ditch the tent altogether, like this guy. He's had his HangPad for 6 months, and it's still as nice as the day he got it.
Huh. Being off the ground would be nice. No crocs can get you up there.
Why are you so afraid of them? Aren't you a crocodile hunter?
Don't say that. It's trademarked. Our legal team has cleared croc blockers.
Well, we're approaching the 2-minute and 30-second mark, which is the optimal length of time for a thirsty ad video. So let me share with you the real survival secret, investing in the best outdoor products so you can elevate your outdoor experience with HangPad, the first ever hammock, sleeping pad, and beach blanket all in one.
Thanks, everyone. We couldn't do this without you. So become a backer today to elevate your outdoor experience with HangPad. Criminy Grimble. Crocs assemble. All right. Now I know I might have said some hurtful, crocophobic things back there, but that's not me, mate. No. Now, my mum always taught me never judge a croc by its scales. I think I'm finally beginning to understand what she meant. God rest her soul. So, how do we feel about slipping this old Aussie a couple of marshies, huh?
Order your HangPad today and join the HangPad family.